All I need is you, baby, baby.
Alright, we've had an awesome day out on the ocean today. We went out off Point Loma, and right now we're preparing to come back in, and Linda now is going to actually dock the boat. We've been working together for a couple of weeks here on coaching her how to use a little more power when she's docking. Remembering that, you know, when if the boat isn't moving, we can't control it. So what we have to do is we have to go from obviously a slow speed, but nevertheless moving with positivity and with a dynamic force, moving ahead into the dock to stopping the boat, getting the lines on in a quick manner, so that we maintain positive control of the boat. There's a little bit of breeze blowing, not too much. It's died off now this evening, so nothing really that's going to affect us. And Linda's just doing a nice job here of lining up. We took our time while we got all the lines and the fenders ready. We did a nice big circle out here just while we got everything ready. And now we're going in for our approach. So I'll just come and stand next to her. So you're in, no, you're not in gear. I don't think you're in gear. A little more. Did it click in? There, no, there, now you're in gear.
Okay, great.
Okay, so we're just in idle ahead gear. We're doing about 1 knot. We're watching the bowsprit of the boat sticking out on our left-hand side. We're in good shape. Just start to come right.
Nudge it to the right.
Just start the turn. Okay, and now go hard over. A little more. Okay. Good. Just ease the turn there for a second. Good. Keep it hard over. Go into a stern. No, I didn't say straighten up. Go into a stern.
What does that mean?
Backwards.
Goose.
Reverse, reverse. There you go. That's enough. No more, no more. Neutral. Left hand down. Very nice. Very nice. We'll go up in position at the front of the boat. Good. Now go straight, Linda. Come right hand down. Right hand down. Right hand down. Little burst of a stern to stop the boat. Little more. Beautiful. Now into neutral. Neutral. Beautiful. We'll go forward with the fender. Good. We'll just have to nudge ourselves off these guys. That was lovely. It was really nice. We'll just nudge ourselves off these guys and we'll walk ourselves. Oh, right. Go a little ahead, Linda. Just a little ahead. Now carries it. Okay, good, 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 good. Perfect. That's good, Will. Good job with the fender there. Very, very, very good. Nice roving. Carrie's got the lines. Awesome. What do you think?
I think you did a great job on coaching.
Well, wasn't our best shot, was it?
But you know, that's all right.
No, it's
because
okay.
Sometimes it doesn't really work out, perfectly. Not every time is perfect.
We're in safely. Nothing got bashed. Nothing got hit. Nothing got anything. I think what I'm trying to figure out with this boat. You're good, Will. You can tie that on if you're able to. Round turn and 2 half hitches. You know how to do that. I think so. Let me think. So this is our slip. This is us coming in. It's the balance between coming far enough this way,
right,
to line up.
Right.
In other words, so that we're not sort of coming in like this across his bow. Right. So he's sticking out here. This is us. So it's the difference. So what we ideally want to do is basically sail a right angle.
But I thought we were we had more power the last time.
And that was the thing, because remember all the time I was saying to you, you're not in gear, and you say, yeah. And then, so we were a little, so I would like to have come in at 2 knots, not 1 knot.
Right.
And, you know,
so
and then you've got more control.
Because I didn't think we had enough control because we were coming in too slowly.
We were too slow. Yeah, because I was saying, I said, nudge it into gear, or I think I was like, are you in gear? And you
Right.
said, oh no, you said you're in gear, and I said, no, you're in neutral, and you said you're in gear. No, I'm in gear.
And
I was
then
like,
Carrie
you're in
said,
neutral.
no, you're in.
Then Carrie said, no, you're in neutral. I was like, yeah, you are in neutral.
Right.
And then we
But
said,
you actually have to hear that click.
yeah, and then you pushed it ahead, and you thought you were in gear, but you still weren't.
Right.
Until it clicked. And so, but that's okay. I mean, this is why we're doing this. This is all good.
Exactly.
So what we're debriefing here, and Linda correctly identified, we actually came in a little too slow. I mean, on the one hand, you don't want to be reckless. You have to be appropriately cautious because you're in close proximity to other boats. But as I was describing earlier, in order to have dynamic control of the boat, you do need some speed so that it responds, so that it turns, and also the wind effect is minimized on it. So next time we'll come in at about 2 knots instead of at 1 knot, and it just means that as we make that final approach into the slip, we'll use a bigger power, a stern power or reverse power, to just stop the boat once we're in position. Good job. Go team.